Hello boss babes and bosses out there. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the ways and how you can get clients online this 2021. This video is specifically for aspiring freelancers. Kayo yung someone na gustong makapag-work online pero wala pang makuha na projects or wala pang makita na client na pwedeng makapagbigay ng project sa inyo. And also for newbie freelancers, ito yung someone na may projects na online pero hindi pa sapat yung kinikita nila, or someone na hindi pa stable yung flow of income. So yeah, this video might help you guys. So if you are interested to learn what are those ways and how to get clients, then please keep on watching. So I'm gonna share with you 6 ways on how to get clients online. But the first 2 ways that I'm going to share with you, na-mention ko na siya sa video na to. This is the video thumbnail, but you can click this, that. Don't worry because I will also put the link below. Pero mamaya na, huwag niyo munang click kasi matatransfer kayo sa video na yan. So for the first way that I'm going to share with you is using the third-party platforms. So yung mga common ng mga third-party platforms, ito yung Upwork, onlinejobs.ph, fiverr.com, freelancers.com, people per hour. So don't worry because we updated na yung bagong list natin for third-party platforms. Please message us on our Facebook group para doon namin sa inyo yung list. So I'm not going to explain more about third-party platforms here. Just watch the video below so that I can dive in more sa mga idadagdag ko sa video nito. So the second way that you can get clients is through agencies. Again, I mentioned the agencies sa video na to and kung ano yung pros and cons niya. So you might really want to check that out. And the third way is through social media platforms. As what I have said to you guys na din, na you can get clients from Facebook groups, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube. So these are the platforms that really makaka-attract kayo ng clients. Hindi necessary na lahat kayo active on those platforms, especially if you are starting pa lang. You can focus on one platform sa tingin nyo na maraming clients nyo or maraming ideal clients nyo yung nagha-hangout doon. For example, yung shinare ko na join Facebook groups, pwede kayong maging consistent there in giving value. Kasi the more the client can see ano yung value na maibibigay mo sa kanya, the more na mag-trust siya sa'yo para kunin ka as a freelancer or para maka-help ka sa business nila. So that's really one way to attract clients, is to show up and give value consistently. The more nang palagi ka nilang makikita na you are sharing your ideas, you are sharing or you are helping other people, the more na mas makikita nila yung value mo, yung ganun. On social media as well, you can post your work there. Ano yung mga trabaho mo, ano yung process mo, ano yung results na trabaho mo, mga social proof din, mga testimonials, mga recommendations sa clients mo. You can also post that one as well para makita din ng mga prospect clients mo na, uy, nakapag-work pala siya with blah blah blah, and maganda yung review nila. So I guess pwede din siyang makatulong sa business ko. Yung mga ganong kind of content, nakakatulong siya para makakuha ka ng mga prospect clients. Ang tip ko lang talaga dyan is to give consistent value to your prospect clients so that they can easily trust you, so that they can easily trust their business to you. Yes, I know, easier said, diba? Easier said than done. But kailangan mo talagang effort if you want to get clients directly, hindi from other third-party platforms and from agencies. Those are easy ways, but then meron siyang cons. Ito, getting direct clients is harder, pero mas fulfilling siya and mas malaki yung rate na makukuha mo. Maybe you are asking why I'm always pitching LinkedIn, Facebook groups, Instagram, YouTube. Because dyan ako nakakakuha ng leads of mga prospect clients. Maraming kumukontak sa akin dyan ng mga prospect clients. So, why not share it with you guys na may mga good clients, may mga prospect clients na nag-hangout dyan. And hindi naman sa lahat ng mga nag-contact sa akin kinukuha ko talaga. There are some clients na we are not fit to work together. So, malalaman mo kasi yan na parang hindi mo siya matutulungan sa goal niya. Alam mo yan eh. Alam mo yan kung matutulungan mo siya or hindi. So, kung feeling mo hindi mo siya matulungan, pass na lang, di ba? Pass. At least, you know, na merong clients dyan. And have a market research para makita mo talaga kung saan nag-hangout yung mga ideal clients mo. Maybe, nag-hangout sila more on sa LinkedIn or more on sa Facebook group. Kung alam mo or sa market research mo, nag-hangout sila sa Twitter, then maybe you can go there. You can try Twitter as well. Wala naman talagang rules kung saan ka mag-show up or mag-give ng valuable content. Point is, it's not really necessary na nasa lahat ka ng platforms. Just pick one or two and always be consistent sa platform na yun in giving value. Help your target clients to know kung ano yung mga kailangan na i-improve sa business nila and how you can help them. And that way, it's easier for you to build trust and it's easier for you to build relationship with them. So for my fourth way that I'm going to share with you guys is through your family and friends connection. Or yung mga relatives mo na may business, family, friends mo na may business, family and friends mo na may business, maybe you can ask them if you can handle their business, social media marketing, just the very basic thing na you can do to help them na magkaroon ng sales sa business nila. Ask them if they want your service. Just give a discounted rate. Since wala ka pang mapakita na proof na magagawa mo talaga yung work kasi you are still aspiring, pero kung meron ka na mapakita, that's good. Kung wala pa, just give them discounted rate to start with. Kasi ang main goal naman natin dito is to get referrals, get recommendations, get testimonials from your test or beta clients, and also build your portfolio. In this part right here, sa stage natin ngayon na nagsa-start pa lang tayo, our goal is not to earn a lot of profits, but our goal is to build our profile, get a lot of recommendations and referrals, and build our portfolio. So that's the main goal para mas madali kayong makakuha ng clients online. Kasi I will tell you guys, if you have good feedbacks, if you have good testimonials from the previous clients that you have, it will really be easier na for you to get other projects na. You just have to start the ball rolling lang talaga. And yung fifth way natin is in connection with that. The fifth way na may share ko sa inyo is through referrals. Sa mga previous beta clients niyo, always ask talaga. Ito talaga yung always na nakakalimutan mostly ng mga freelancers na pag may nakuha silang client, nalilimutan nilang kumuha ng mga recommendations, mga referrals from their previous clients. And it's very important. Ito yung pinakamaganda na pagmamarket because you don't have to prove yourself to other people because yung ibang tao na yung nagpro-promote para sa'yo. So, easiest way to get clients is through referrals talaga. So, ang tip ko dito, if meron kayong makuha ng mga beta clients, ayusin nyo talaga yung work. Sila yung mag-give ng head start for you na ma-recommend kayo sa ibang clients nila or sa mga ibang kakilala nila na pwede nyo maging clients din. So, don't forget to ask for recommendations and testimonials, reviews, feedback, something like that. And the sixth way that I'm going to share with you guys is through giving freebies and putting the CTA button at the bottom. It would really help you to get clients because gusto talaga ng mga tao ng free, right? Yung mga example nito, yung mga checklist. For example, you are a social media manager and gagawa ka ng checklist kung paano mag-optimize ng YouTube channel or mag-optimize ng Instagram or Facebook or paano mag-handle ng Facebook groups, ng community, yung mga ganun, yung mga checklist na mga ganun. Create something like that and then lagyan nyo sa baba ng CTA button na if you don't know, if you need help, or if you have any questions with the checklist above, don't forget to message me here. Lagay kayo ng kung saan kayo pwede makontak para you can get in touch with that client. At the same time, nakuha mo na din yung email niya. So, ayun, that's a good way on how to get leads sa mga prospect clients niyo para meron kayong contact sa kanila always. That's the last thing that I'm going to share with you. I know there are a lot of ways on getting clients, pero para sa mga newbies, ang mga starting pa lang, wala pa masyadong client, my overall tip lang is you can start small, take small steps kasi tayo kasi mga freelancers or mga entrepreneurs, kung kukuha tayo ng mga big projects tapos hindi natin makuha yung gusto talaga ng client na mangyari, is that tinatawag na tayong scammer, tinatawag na tayong fraud, yung mga ganon. So we don't want that to happen. So maybe we can start small muna. If that small project is a success, and then maybe we can move on to another small projects or another medium project. Hindi talaga tayo pupunta na sa super malaki para safety na lang din na hindi tayo matawag na scam. And ayun, just make sure lang na kukuha kayo ng projects na you think you can really handle, kasi yung purpose natin in getting projects as a start is para makagawa talaga ng portfolio, kumuha talaga ng mga reviews, mga recommendations from our clients. So galingan nyo, make sure na alam nyo yung mga projects na kukunin nyo, and yeah, just start, and I know you can do it. So hope this video helps you guys, and if you have any questions pa, just comment below. And yeah, before I'm going to end this video, I would like to flex the works of my bosses and bosses inside my group. Check this out. If you would like to join our Facebook group, just research I'm Ready to Boss Up by 𝐵RICKSUY, and don't forget to like and follow our page BossedUp PH, and don't forget to follow our Instagram accounts 𝐵RICKSUY and BossedUp PH. And yeah, hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye!